All right, guys, how you doing today? So we've really made quite a bit of progress. Pretty excited to show you. Basically, we're fully finished framing, at least the exterior. We still have to frame the basement, but fully finished framing, and we're ready to do the roof today. Excited to show you what's going on.
The biggest change that we made upstairs on the second floor is to our skylight and our opening. So we pretty much doubled our skylight, which relative to how open it is might not even look like it, but really is double what we have right now. And we've really opened up this entire space. So you can really see it's so open. It's gonna allow a ton of natural light. This whole space is gonna feel really open.
Okay, so we're just across the street, and we got a crane here bringing all the shingles and materials onto the roof. So the front, or I guess the side parts of the roof, the sloped parts of the roof here and here, those are going to be done with shingles, and then the flat part of the roof is done with a totally different material. Sorry, it's a little loud. We got a forklift moving, we got a crane moving, we got a lot going on site today, but exciting day, and we'll show you some progress throughout the day. We are torching down the roof. Love it. How you feel about it? Feeling good?
Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed our video today. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel so you could keep following our progress and following our journey as we build our second dream home. And let us know if you liked the video. Leave us a comment, leave us a like. We'd love to hear from you. See you next time. Bye guys.